Thinking in English is the key to fluency, but many learners struggle because they translate every word in their heads first. Nicolai, does this sound familiar?
Uh, Maybe. I mean, when I try to speak, my brain goes, wait, what's the English word for that? And by the time I figure it out, poof, the moment is gone.
Ah yes, that's because translating slows you down. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Your brain is like a muscle. If you're used to thinking in another language, it needs training to switch to English. Start with simple sentences. Things around you, your daily routine, or how you feel.
Okay, I'm drinking tea. Wait, that was in English. I did not translate.
Exactly. The more you do this, the faster your brain adapts. To think in English, immerse yourself in it. Change your phone's language, listen to English music, or describe things around you in English, even if it's just in your head.
So instead of thinking, oh no, où est mon téléphone? Should I try, where is my phone in English?
Exactly. The more you surround yourself with English, the more natural it becomes. Instead of translating words, connect them directly to images and ideas. When you see an apple, think apple, not the word in your native language.
Oh, so I need to see the meaning instead of translating.
Precisely. That's how native speakers think. They don't translate, they associate words with concepts. One of the best ways to start thinking in English? Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, how you feel, or even plan your day, all in English.
All right, I am learning English. I will make tea and not burn it this time.
An excellent start. And don't worry, your tea-making skills will improve with time. Thinking in English won't happen overnight, but with daily practice your brain will adjust. Keep going and soon English will feel natural.
So no more translating, just thinking in English.
Precisely. Now let's put this into practice. Tell me about your day in English.
Challenge accepted. Okay, this morning I woke up early because um, because I wanted to go for a walk. The weather was nice, cool and sunny. I saw many people jogging, walking dogs.
Language is a habit. Train your brain and it will become second nature. Until next time, keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep growing.